Most drivers think they know their car. You start it, drive it, fill it with fuel, and that's about it. But here's something most people don't realize. Modern Japanese cars are hiding dozens of built-in functions that almost nobody ever uses. Not because they're useless, but because most drivers were never told they exist. These features were designed by engineers to protect your engine, save fuel, extend battery life, and even improve safety, yet they're buried deep inside the vehicle. I've worked on Japanese cars for years, and some of these features surprised even experienced mechanics. So in this video, I'm revealing 7 secret Japanese car functions that only about 1% of drivers know about, and a couple of these could literally save you thousands in repairs. Let's get into it. Secret function number 1, the battery guardian mode. Modern Japanese cars sip power even when off. Think keyless entry listening constantly, alarms, and modules remembering your settings. In our scorching summers or when the car's parked for days during load shedding or travel, that phantom drain kills batteries fast. The real trick here is a key fob power-saving mode that cuts the fob's constant pinging, which indirectly helps the car's system stay quieter too. For most Toyotas and Lexuses with smart keys, 2016 plus, hold the lock button on the fob, then press unlock twice while holding. It flashes 4 times on the fob LED to confirm. This puts the fob to sleep, so it stops transmitting, slashing unnecessary wake-ups for the car. To wake it, just press any button. Honda owners, some models respond to quick double locks or menu toggles in settings for reduced standby. Check your infotainment under vehicle customization. Mazda and Subaru often have similar fob sleep via hold lock plus double unlock. I've seen this prevent dead batteries on customer cars left at the airport for weeks. And Karachi's heat, combine it with a trickle charger if parked long term. Do you battle battery drain in summer? What's your go-to fix? Hit the comments. Secret function number 2, the engine temperature pre-warning system. Your dash temp gauge is lazy. It parks in the middle from 180 degrees Fahrenheit to about 215 and only freaks out when you're already cooking. But the ECU knows the real number every second. On many Toyotas and Lexuses post-2016, cycle to the trip info screen with steering wheel buttons, then hold the display select button 5 to 10 seconds. Bam! Hidden engineering menu pops up with live coolant temp, trans temp, voltage, and more. Hondas hold select or reset on the main screen 8 to 10 seconds for diagnostic view, showing exact coolant and load. Use this when towing, idling in traffic jams, or blasting AC in 45 degrees Celsius heat. Spot 220 degrees Fahrenheit plus early, pull over, check coolant, avoid warped heads or blown gaskets. I've caught failing thermostats this way before they stranded folks on the highway. Pro move, log temps during your commute to spot patterns. Ever noticed your gauge acting weird? Share below. Secret function number 3, the silent alarm confirmation. Tired of blasting the horn every lock in a quiet neighborhood or apartment block? Most Japanese cars let you kill the beep. Toyotas hold lock 3 to 5 seconds for hazards only flash, or dive into vehicle settings /door locks /confirmation sounds /lights only. Hondas often do the same hold lock trick. Mazda /Subaru menu under security /door locks toggle horn off. Simple, neighbor-friendly, and once set, it's permanent until you change it. In dense Karachi parking, this keeps the peace without sacrificing security. You'll wonder why it wasn't default. Secret function number 4, the hypermiling fuel-saving display. Fuel prices sting, right? These cars have killer efficiency tools buried in menus. Toyotas on fuel economy screen hold display button 3 to 5 seconds for instantaneous fuel flow, liters or milliliters per second, updating super fast. Watch how hard acceleration spikes it, gentle throttle drops it. Hondas with Eco Assist enable detailed coaching in settings for trip scores on braking, accel, and speed. Drivers using real-time feedback often shave 10 to 15% off consumption long-term by smoothing inputs. In stop-go traffic here, this turns you into a hyper-miling pro. Test it on your next drive. What's your best MPG trick? Secret function number 5, the cold start engine protection protocol. Cold starts wear engines most. Thick oil needs time to flow. While not every model has a secret 10-second brake hold magic, many Toyotas and Hondas idle higher briefly on cold starts to build pressure faster. A smart habit, after starting cold, sit 10 to 20 seconds idling, foot on brake. Before driving, lets oil circulate, VVT adjust, accessories delay. In winter mornings or after overnight cooling, even here, it reduces cam bearing wear. Engineers designed for this. Consistent use shows less sludge at high miles. Add it to your routine. Your engine thanks you over 150,000 plus kilometers. Secret function number 6, the hidden diagnostic menu. No scan tool? Some self-checks exist. Toyota's ignition on, no start, press odometer reset 5 times fast, often shows basic codes or maintenance status, all zeros good. Honda's hold reset 10 seconds for system cycle. Mazda/Subaru have similar rapid press sequences. These flag pending issues early, misfires, sensors, before the check engine light. Run it monthly, peace of mind, free. If codes appear, note them and get checked. Saved me diagnosing a subtle misfire once. Secret function number 7, automatic seat and mirror return. Higher trim Toyotas and Lexuses with memory seats enable memory recall on entry and settings. Your fob unlocks, seat and mirrors glide to position before you sit. Add auto exit, park, engine off, seat slides back for easy out. Restart, it returns. Hondas with power memory hold recall and park to set exit spot. Huge for shared cars or bad backs. Feels luxurious, zero effort.